Hello, everybody. This is Linda. So I'm over here by my bush beans. That's what they are here. So I'm going to drop some pole beans in this same container. This is them. I just bought these from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to set these right here. And I'm going to plant the seeds right around my little teepee I made for beans, right? And that's all I'm doing is planting these beans right around this pole. And I'm going to do about 3 or 4. This little container is going to be full, y'all. And these beans here is bush. So they're going to be all right. They're just going to have a little company. That's all. All right, let's get this over here. But I hope you all have been having a great Sunday. It is Sunday morning after church. And I'm back home and I'm in my garden. I've watered everything in my garden. Wait a minute, they got some weeds in here. Let me get that out. Get out of there. All right. And now listen, family. This ain't no rocket science stuff, right? What I'm doing. Just usually. And this is the way I taught Jada how to direct sow seeds like this. And it's just the bean is put the seed down to the first joint on your finger. That's it. That's your measurement stick. God gave it to us all. Yes, he did. And I'm just gonna get back here and I'm gonna put 4 beans back there. I gotta watch my little buddies over here by the salvias. There's a lot of bees in there, y'all. And they are very protective of their flowers, right? Baby, all I want to do is look at them. That's all. I don't pick my flowers and bring them inside. Now, I'm going to say this. There have been on some occasions I have taken 1 or 2 zinnias and brought them inside. It was definitely for a very special occasion because it's not a regular thing I do. I prefer my flowers to be outside in their own elements, doing their own thing, right? And that's the way I like to look at flowers. So I'm just putting extra seeds around them because I got them out. That's all. Y'all look, I brought this glove out here to do this, and look what I did. That's cool, huh? But anyway, let's go over here by these onions. So what I noticed is some of them on this side is laying down. So I'm gonna harvest those that is ready. I'm gonna take them out. Yeah, baby, I'm not gonna play with them. Yeah, they laying. Yeah, she ready. Yeah. Yay. So the ones that's ready, I'm gonna get it because we will not lose anything. She's still. Wait a minute now. Let me get this one. Wait, not that. Okay, this one. All right, Mom. I ain't gonna fight you. We're gonna get this one. Yay! But all the ones that's ready, we're going to get it. Because we will not lose anything trying to get something. Ooh, nice. Let's see. Oh, look at that one. See that one right here? See, she's laying down. Let's get her. Oh, yeah, she's ready. She's like, I'm ready, Mama. I'm ready. Well, come on, baby. You too. Because, oh, look at this one. Come on, baby. Get up. Ready. So I harvest this. So this is a lot of the onions that I've harvested already because they are ready. So this is my onions. This is what I've harvested. What I have noticed from further inspection of my onions, that many of these onions are ready. So I'm going to harvest the rest of my onions. And I'm going to set them out and let them cure for a while. And then I'm going to put them in the garage and let them dry. Yeah, but they are ready. So let's get these onions, baby. Let's get these onions. So this is under the olive tree. Wow, that's a tiny amount of seeds, huh? Well, let me open the other pack. All right, so this is the other pack and the zinnias also. So that's both of them. Wow. I mean, those packs are not as full as they used to be, I tell you. They really are not. But anyway, there they go. Now I'm just going to water them in. And I'm going to be able to enjoy the flowers. Yeah. All right. That was cool and quick. So these are, I'll show you. These are my saved sunflowers. Yeah. They are long sunflowers, but anyway, that's them. I'm gonna drop some over here. I'm gonna do two. Well, now there's two different kinds, you see. So let's drop two of the little short ones over here too. Maybe we'll switch it up. I'm gonna put the bigger ones on the inside and the smaller ones on the outside. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. The thing about the bigger ones, and I had them here before, is that they get all in the olive tree. It's cool. I'll try to figure out a way how to make it right, but I'm gonna drop them. I'm gonna do it anyway. So, yeah, I think they have room up there. Yeah. Also, I love these flowers so much, but I could not get any to germinate. So I'm gonna drop some around the foot of the olive tree and see if she would go up the olive tree, because she's a climber. So hopefully she'll go up the olive tree and give us those sweet smelling, beautiful flowers that they make, right? So, oh wow. See, can I get it open using one hand here? I got it. All right, let's see if we can do here. So I'm gonna just put some down and then I'm gonna move them. So I'm gonna just drop them around the foot of this tree. And let's see if they would get on up. I love these flowers. I had some one time growing in the front of my garden. I used to call it the welcoming committee, right? And I had all kinds of flowers just as you walk into my garden. And oh my God, I had some sweet peas on a teepee. Oh man, they smell so good. They smell delicious. They make perfumes from sweet pea flower and the freesia flower. But let's hope they'll germinate here and go up this olive tree. So check this out, family. I moved this little soursop tree and I put her in another spot. And I said I wanted to see if she liked the spot before I put her in the ground there. Well, she have answered my question. Does she like that spot? And the answer is hell no, she didn't like it. So I put her back where she was. Y'all see that? Now, none of this was there when I first moved her there. You see that? Let me get all this stuff off of here. This girl ain't gonna do nothing with this. Get off of there. So, this is why I let them sit in a spot before I put them in the ground. It is important. You will see, your plants will tell you if the spot is not right. So I'm gonna keep her back over here and see if she gonna continuously to love it here. And if she do, she going in the ground right there. Or I'm gonna put her in a container, a big container, and set it right here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, she's back where I moved her from. My bright idea, right? The girl was doing good, so I'm gonna leave her here. We'll see how she grows. Come on, baby. I'm sorry. It is a giant swallowtail. Yay! And she's loving on my zinnias. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. I'm a little distance away from him, but from this butterfly, but she's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. She like him, y'all. She like him. Yeah. So I'm waiting on these babies to show up. That's the black-eyed Susies. Oh, look at that. Okay. They coming soon. They coming soon, though. The black-eyed Susies. And I done forgot the name of these flowers. It's a bulb flower, and it just comes back every year. But I think it is purple. It's a purple flower. Yeah. But she'll show me who she is in a little bit. She's getting there. Yeah. And of course, oh boy, they are all around the sunflowers, which is just awesome. And she's just now beginning to make a head. Those heads gonna be huge. Yeah. I'm looking forward to them. Yeah. Very much so. These flowers are so pretty on that sunflower there. They're like gold, you know, a little different. But I love them all. I love them all. Yeah.